Okay, so we're looking at. Go ahead and put all. Okay, it's already took apart. This is the atomizer. We're going to do a hand-built assembly here. So we're looking at 3 screws.
The middle one is the positive post, and the 2 outside ones are negative posts, they're ground posts.
Okay, so it's not just screws on there. Those are real electronic posts. One, you said the middle is negative. You said
Positive.
Okay, negative's positive. The center is positive. The 2 outs are negative. And then we have the wicks. And if you notice, the wicks are actually are coiled with wire. They're a certain gauge.
30 gauge candle wires and 2.5 mil silica wicks wrapped together.
Okay.
And each one is putting out 1.1 ohm. So altogether it's going to be 0.5 ohm total.
All right. So that's basic electronics. And then we're coming in here, and then
that's just the cover.
That's the cover, and you actually have to find the supplier for that. There's no way you can build that. That's too tough a machine.
That's just a standard drip tip.
Okay. This just drops in.
Yeah,
then.
510 drip tip.
Drops in from on the rubber ring. But this bottom part here is actually standard to ego. The ego line, and that's the big part. So what's the spec on that thread?
It's 510.
510.
And here's the positive connection.
Okay, and the positive connection.
It's running on O-ring, so it's floating, so you can tighten it down all the way on your mod.
Okay, so it floats. So once you tie it down on that ego, it'll.
So there's always connection.
Okay, so but these particular machine parts, you found a supplier for, and where can we get that?
They have a bunch of sellers online. Like these, I bought on eBay because I know the name of it. It's called a Nimbus.
Nimbus.
But they have other ones called the iGo L or iGo W, and you can find those on OKC Vapes or
OKC Vapes.
Yeah.
Any
forums, any like vape forums you go on, there's always a group of people who are like rebuilding their own coils and all that, and they always have a list of parts that they use
on the supplier. Okay, so the bill of materials are already listed inside those forums. We just got to dig for it.
Yep.
Got it. Okay, thanks.